Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to explore articles on the Pregnancy Plus application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the Explore button down below, which is the second option. And after that, as you can see at the top, there are various categories that you can choose from, such as nutrition, body, baby, feel good, medical, exercise, relationships, going solo, lifestyle, and so on. Here you can see the items and the articles that certain or a particular category contains. Here are subcategories such as mental health, sleep, physical health, pregnancy symptoms in this feel good category. So click on the relevant one that you are interested in, and here you can find the article itself. There are recommended articles, and as you can see, if you have read this article, the checkmark icon in the upper right corner turns green. So if you go back, you can explore more articles of several other topics as well. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.